Hey, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, I wanted to show you guys my new garage setup. I wanted to show you guys all the steps that it took to get here and talk about the things I plan for in the future. So now that we've moved back into our original home, the house that we bought years ago, I finally have a garage to be working in again. And this time my wife said, you know what, if you're gonna be working in the garage and you're gonna be filming in there, you might as well do it in a place that actually looks nice. And I'm really grateful that we had the opportunity to do something like this in our garage. It's not much, it's a very small 2-car garage with just enough space for the trucks to pass through. But this is my space dedicated to working on the trucks when I need to. I do my editing in here, I do my recording in here. I'm able to, anything that needs to be done for the channel, I'm able to do in here. A lot of you guys know I'm a huge fan of collectible die-cast cars, so those are all on display. The plan is to eventually have a podcast set up in here. Not too sure how the layout's gonna be because I don't know how I wanna do the background, the lighting, all that stuff yet. I have all the other gear, but I just haven't figured out the layout just yet. And so that's it. I just wanted to show you guys where the garage is at this point. And again, talk about what we are gonna do in the future. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I really like the space, but I can really use your guys' input on mounting or storage solutions. Let me know. So thanks again for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing. And as always, stay tuned.